See, actually the issue is Supreme Court has banned illegal mining in Aravalli Hills. Okay, so that forest degradation should stop. But later on, it was realized that it has not been stopped. It has not been stopped because some local people, some corrupt officials are involved in illegal mining. Then young and dynamic SP was appointed in that district only, and he promised that I will stop this that illegal mining. Yes, but you know what? When that police officer went to that illegal mining spot, na, so one truck was loaded with a lot of illegal mining was coming, and he has killed that police. He has overrun that police officer and flee away. Then you know what? There was a person named journalist named Ashok. He has tried to investigate all the things because he was a journalist. So he found various suspicious things there. He found that there are some politicians who are involved in that illegal mining, like MLA. So actually, he tried because he was a journalist. So he was working in a TV channel named CMD TV channel. So he was working over there, and then he when he prepared the report and he sent that report to the TV channel so that they may get published in the newspaper. But you know what? That newspaper.
They are also corrupted.
Yeah, he was also involved in that politician. Actually, they were friends. See how the things work.
Okay.
Do you know what? And you know what? That owner what said to that Ashok, you also don't get involved in that. I will give you 10 lakh rupees, and you withdraw the report. Don't publish the report.
Okay.
And he said that if you publish, then I will expel you away from this journalism, and your family will be in.
Trouble.
Yeah, it means giving the warning. Now you know that. So now what are the options available with Ashok? Because he is journalist. So what he should do now? Tell me how many options he has.
How many?
First, he should drop the idea that okay. First, he should accept what his owner is saying.
Next, refusing.
So see, if he is accepting, then what will be the merit?
Security for his job.
Family, yes, and demerits,
Demerits the mind, like
unethical action. It is unethical. Then second option, what he has?
refuse it to do.
Then merit.
Like refuse it the taking the advantages from the owner of the channel. Like
And a report.
submitting the report to the higher authorities. We can submit now, Manish. He can't do now through newspaper, but he can report to the higher officials now, out of the state.
Then what will be the merit?
Merit, ethical one.
Ethical one. And demerit.
Merit, self-satisfaction is there. Justice to that 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 person who was died in that accident.
Okay. And demerits.
Demerits, he lost the job, and he may be threatened.
And third option.
Third option, he can convince the channel owner.
And if he is not agreed.
If he not agreed, na, he can directly go to the central government or something else. Superior.
But you already said that
First option is refusal, dropping. Second one is directly avoiding that one.
And third one?
Is convincing. If the convincing is not happened, then you are going to na superior.
Convincing is illegal, irrelevant here na Bhagya, because
They are involved, right?
yeah, because they are threatening na कि if we will do that, then so here this will not work.
Whistle blowing, like whistle blowing.
It is in media, yaar. How can you presume? It is not company.
No, you can give na other media persons. They can active then.
Okay, so
The reality
whistleblowing.
may come out na.
Then what will the merit?
Merit justice to that person, and the mining will
And
can
demerits?
curb
And demerits?
threatening, job lost.
Then what is the difference between second and third option?
Second and third option.
Because there is
See.
also threatening job loss. There is also threatening
So
job.
demerits you are saying, right?
Hmm.
See, if it will be come out na, they will come under detention na, Manish, if they caught. See, he can tell na to the police station, I have a threat from them, so they can provide security, huh? Right?
And what is fourth option? Then what will you do?
What?
As final course of action, what will you do?
I will do na third one.
There is one more option better. You know what? He should hand this report to the collector of the district.
That is na, you have to tell na top authorities
What?
or superiors. You can tell to na superiors.
So that is third you told na.
Huh.
Third that you told na, ki leak the information. I am
Leak
saying
the
ki-
information
I-
to some other media, that is different. I told na second option. If he refused, then he go with the
No,
top
that is
superiors.
other thing. That is other thing. Listen here, what I'm saying. He should hand over this report to the collector officers, or he should take the help of a NGO. Ki see, this is all this happening, and don't take my name, and you,
Do these things.
yeah, don't take my name and to do this. So in this way he will be safe, because a NGO is doing then. So I think that is a good decision. This is the final decision as well.
But if they will be get threatened na, Manish, then
Who will get threatened?
NGOs. Who will be
NGO
the
is a unknown
group.
person. NGO is a group of people. So who will be threatened here? Because NGO is a group of people. Na? They are not one people. There are 100 to 200 people are involved in that. So how many people they will kill? And till then, government will be able to know who are criminal. So they will put them behind the bars.
Okay.
So I think that is a good decision. Take the help of NGO. And this is the final question. So see, I mean, you have to be very pragmatic. Because see, the option which you told now, okay, more or less they are not bad. But you know what?
Common.
They are common basically. Everyone can write. They say, okay, I will do it. But the things which I'm telling you, yesterday I told you one thing. See, I will tell you some 15 or 20 case study daily. Then you see your approach for case study will be improved, and you will never get failed in case study. You will have good scope thinking. Because I will always give you some better option than you think. Yesterday I gave you better option than that. Today I have given you better option than that. So this is what I am just telling you. So that is what you can do as a final course of
Manish,
exam.
whistle blowing means it will